This is an explanation video for Wednesday, October 6th. So you want to come down here to Unit 1, Power of Goals. Come to Module 3. This is our current module. And come down to Day 3, October 6th. Happy Wednesday. Let's start with the sync session. This is what we'll do together as a class. So first, we're going to do some questions and answers for a job interview. So we'll click on this. Okay, you're going to practice interview skills with this activity. So you will pick a job you would like to apply for in the future. This can be any job that you choose. Okay, and you will pick at least 3 of the following questions. Okay, you see here there are about 8 or 9 questions that you can choose to answer. You can pick 3. You will discuss how you would respond to each question in an interview. Make sure to use the bold phrases from the question in your answer. Also use gerunds and infinitives. Okay, so for example, this one here, what job are you interested in at this company? Interested in doing at this company? And you notice how interested in is bold, right? It's extra dark, interested in. That means that you need to use this in your answer, interested in. And you want to use a gerund with it. Notice here we have interested in doing. So you might say interested in learning, or interested in working, or interested in contributing, as an example, okay? And here are some examples. So for number 1, I am interested in contributing to a team environment. Notice we have interested in, and then a gerund, contributing. The next one I chose is, let's see, I only do want to work. Okay. Okay, this one. What skills do you need to improve at work? Okay, need is bold, so you want to use need in the answer, and it's an infinitive in the answer. So I think I need to learn how to use the computer system at this company. So notice I said need, and then followed it with an infinitive, to learn. And in my third example, when I'm at work, I avoid, okay, this one, here's the question. What do you avoid doing when you are at work? So avoid is the bolded word, and you need a gerund. So you'll make an answer with avoid and a gerund. So here, when I am at work, I avoid taking a long break because it leaves my coworkers without help. So we have avoid, and we have a gerund, taking. So remember, these are just example sentences. You don't have to answer those 3 questions. You can choose any 3 questions that you choose, okay? And you will do this with your partner, okay? So for the next activity, we will do a discussion with inference. So we will get into small groups, and we will read some short conversations. So here in A, we have a conversation between person A and person B. And after we read it, we will answer these questions. Where are they? Who are these people? What are they doing? And some more. And all of these answers will come from inference. Okay. Then in the next page, we have another conversation and some more questions using inference. And here's one more. Okay, so we have different conversations, and we have to read them and make inferences about the people and what they're doing in these conversations. Now let's look at the async folder for today. This is independent work. So we are going to practice sentence unscrambling. In class on Tuesday, we practiced unscrambling sentences and putting them in the correct order. So we're going to continue that activity today. Click here, And this is the link to the activity. You will click on this link to open it. But first, I included a reminder of the basic structure: subject, verb, object. And another way of saying it is subject, verb, object. And then after that, you can have where, when, how, and why. That is the correct order for most English sentences. Okay, so you will click here to open the quiz. Here we are. And so for each question, you have two versions of the same sentence. One of them is in the correct order and one is in the incorrect order. You have to pick the one that is in the correct order. And when you're done, you can press check. So if I think this one is right, click check. Oh no, I was wrong. That is incorrect. Click this one, check. That one's correct. Okay, now I got the right answer. And I'll go through all of these. There's a total of 16 questions. And then look at my results. When I'm finished, you'll come back down and complete the next steps. You will tell me, 1, that you did the assignment, and 2, what was difficult for you. So if you come back to the async folder, step 1, did you complete the unscramble assignment? Open it. In this comment section, you can just write yes, or I completed it, or finished, or anything that lets me know that you did the unscramble assignment. And you'll write your answer in here and then press post when you are finished writing that. The next step is this one here, step 2. Was that difficult? What was difficult? So from the unscramble activity, explain something that was difficult for you in the assignment or a question that you got wrong. Okay, and you can write your answer in here in the comment section. You can type it and then press post when you are finished. And that is the last step to complete this assignment. Please complete all of these steps, the quiz and the 2 discussion posts, to show me that you did the work. Okay, that is the last assignment for today, Wednesday, October 6th. Thank you so much for listening and best of luck.